Good afternoon, Roderick Paola. I am going to the present in Pod 4 on the English subject. Vocabulary, adventure travel. This vocabulary tells us about adventure and travel with many types of the trips such as number 1, backpacking, ir de mochilero, go cruise, ir de crucero, go on bionic, ir en globo aerostático. Go mountain biking, andar en bicicleta en la montaña. Go on safari, ir a un safari. Go rafting, hacer una embarcación por un río. Go rock climbing, ir a escalar rocas. Go sailing, ir a navegar. Go to summer camp, ir campamento de verano. Grammar, just, already, and yet. Just, just is used for actions that have occurred recently. It goes before the verb or between the auxiliary and the verbs in the sentences. Already. We use already when we talk about things about have already happened in this place of the beginning of the sentence, after the person and the auxiliary verb and before the verb. Yet, this word is used negative sentence of the question and this placed of the end to the sentences. Examples: I just got here. Just do your best. I have already done my homework. Don't worry, already paid the bill. I haven't finished my homework yet. I, have you eaten yet? Thanks.